breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast systems and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This cable system has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most cable systems will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Blue Iver's cable. We will continue to serve the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to cable systems providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is Blue Iver's cable. This cable system will continue furnishing news, official information and instructions for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If you are not in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station or cable system in your local area. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is
it's you and I.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The President of the United States has declared a national emergency declaration in regards to the COVID-19 pandemic. Due to this declaration, a nationwide quarantine is now in effect. Residences are to lock down in your homes or places of residence for the next 14 days. 1,800 confirmed cases of the coronavirus have been reported so far in the United States, and this number is expected to rise in the upcoming weeks. To reduce the risk of COVID-19 transmission, travelers are advised to follow these measures. Regularly clean hands by using an alcohol-based hand rub or washing with soap and water. When coughing or sneezing, cover your mouth and nose with a bent elbow or tissue. If using a tissue, dispose of it immediately and wash your hands. If you have a fever, cough, difficulty breathing, or any other symptoms suggestive of respiratory illness, such as pneumonia, call emergency services before visiting a doctor or hospital to prevent potential spread of the virus. This has been a statement from the Emergency Alert System for March 13, 2020, in regards to the coronavirus 19 pandemic. Please continue to follow instructions from local and state authorities regarding this pandemic. This concludes this emergency action notification statement. We now return to regular programming.
Important information regarding your safety and well-being. Please follow nationwide emergency alert transmissions for more information. We will resume.
This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming will now resume.